I found this incredible tool called igleads.io. And what this tool can do, it can get unlimited leads from Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, LinkedIn, Google Maps, homeowners, like for real estate agents, and a lot more. And these are not just any leads. These are highly, highly targeted, verified leads. So this is for basically for cold email campaigns. So if you're promoting pretty much any product and service and you need to get in touch with a very, very targeted audience, you can find these people with this software, which is absolutely incredible. So I'm going to explain exactly what this software can do, how it can help you with your business, and also how to avoid problems, because there's a specific way that you have to approach using this software. Now let's take a look inside the software here. I've logged in. You can do a free trial and get 50 emails just to test this out. So that's what I'm doing here. So you can see here, this is a social scraper. Now it does not scrape directly from the social media platforms. It uses the Google SERPs to get the information. So you're not violating any terms of services of the individual social media sites. So you can get leads from Facebook, from hashtags, okay, from Instagram keywords, LinkedIn groups, TikTok, Twitter, YouTube, if you want to talk to other influencers on YouTube, Google Maps, which is for local businesses. I'm going to give an example of that here in just a little bit. So the first thing you want to do is first decide what market that you want to market to. Who are your people? Who are your customers? And you want to find some keywords that would describe your customers. So here I've gone to ChatGPT, and I'm just using the free version, ChatGPT 3.5, and say I want to find personal injury lawyers in Dallas, Texas. Say I want to do local marketing. I would come here and I would click here. I just put a little prompt. Very simple. I want to find personal injury lawyers in Dallas, Texas. What would be some popular keyword searches and hashtags? Okay, I'm going to go here, and it's going to give me some ideas. Here's some hashtags, and here are some keywords. Now, this software, IG Leads, works with keywords. So I'm going to come in here, and I'm going to just take the first one, and I'm going to go. I'm just doing a very simple version of this, and I'm going to put Dallas personal injury attorney. I'm going to put Dallas, and the state would be Texas. How many emails? Well, I'm just on the free trial, so I can just do 50, and I can't do less. I want to try to do 10, but I can't do less. And so what you do is you're going to click search, and it's going to find these leads. Now, of course, if you're on the paid plans, you can do a lot more, and I'll show you the different plans on this. But this is truly incredible here. So I'm going to go, and I'm going to do a search here. And now it's going to go, and it's going to take a little while, and it's scraping in progress. And you wait a few minutes, and you come back. So as you can see here, it's scraping away. Now, I used Google Maps. That's important because I wanted local businesses. Now, I have other options here. I guess I could scrape YouTube if I wanted to for personal attorneys, but I wanted to search for local business listings, and this is the most logical place to find local business listings. So that's what I am searching on this. But maybe you have other goals, and you want to, you want to talk to CEOs, you want to talk to people who have jobs with major companies. Maybe that is your market. Maybe you're a recruiter or something, and you could scrape LinkedIn for leads for people in certain industries. I mean, the possibilities are incredible with this. So now I'm going to show you exactly the leads that we're going to get for this particular search, which is more towards local marketing. Like if I want to sell services to personal injury attorneys in local areas. That was my search. But you have all these other possibilities depending on what your market is and who you want to find. Well, it's not limited to what I'm doing. So here we go, and we're going to look and see exactly what's going on. All right. We're going to come here and we're going to view the leads we've got. We click here, view, and it's going to show all these leads. And what do we have? We have the address, we have the name, zip code, phone number, contact. We've got the website here, right here. So we've got a lot of information here. And so these are all people we can contact if we have a specific service or product for personal injury attorneys in Dallas. I mean, here are the leads. Now, the thing to know about this, that all these email addresses, they are verified as valid emails. It's very important because if you start sending to a bunch of emails that are not valid, I'm blocking this out because of privacy reasons. But if you start sending to emails that are not valid, then your reputation goes down and you'll be considered a spammer. As you see, I can also download all these leads right here. Just download them. Here I've downloaded the list, and you can see I've got all this information, right? And I've got 200 or so names just off the free trial. Now, even though those emails are verified, it's always good to verify them again. Here's a service that can verify these emails so that you're not sending to dead emails that can hurt your reputation. That can do so very inexpensively. I think they're charging like $35, $37 one-time price. That's very inexpensive. Okay, so they will re-verify your emails. It's called Million Verifier. This is the least expensive that I've seen. I've seen a bunch of these services, and this is the least expensive I've seen. So you want to verify them anyway because your reputation is very important. And that, now we're going to come up to how to approach these people. Okay, so now let's talk about how you approach these people that you're going to send to. And this is very, very, very important. Now, there's a million ways to send out emails. You could have an email PHP script on your own server. There's tons of autoresponder services where you just send out lots of emails, but you got to be careful. This is a cold email, and it's different when you send out a cold email. First of all, there are services like Instantly here, which is specifically geared for sending cold emails. And you really don't want to be sending out more than 100 emails per email account. You're basically sending out individual emails. So if you start blasting out to all these lists with a bulk email program, you're probably going to get you're probably going to get flagged as spam on some of the emails. Even if it's not, you're going to get flagged as spam, and then your emails are not going to go in the inbox, right? So you usually want to keep it to less than 100 emails. But I want to talk about something more important. You can get these services that are geared towards sending out cold emails, and they're very good. For example, you come down here to Instantly, they're specifically geared to sending out these cold emails, and you can come to their pricing here and you see, like with Aweber, I have over 20,000, over close to 25,000 leads in my account. But this is a whole different ballgame, all right? This is sending out cold emails. And so they'll give you 1,000 emails verified monthly for $37 a month. Okay, because you're going to be sending out like individual emails. This is a cold email campaign. It's different than people who are on your email list. You'd send out much less, and it has to be way more targeted. I'd like to say that if your message is so targeted, is super appealing and super targeted, I'm going to give you an example here in a second, you probably don't even need to spend this money. It depends on your market and what you're doing, but I'm going to give you an example. Say I come here to Google and I type in personal injury lawyer Dallas. I misspelled it, way to go. And I find a law firm, all right? And I come here to this website, and I want to find his website. I'll go to this one right here because they have a website right here. Say I come here and I find this lawyer, And my service is doing video marketing for personal injury attorneys. Say that's my service. And I'm charging $1,000 a month to put out videos every month. That's what I do. All right. Say that's, and I want to talk to this guy. I know he spends money on advertising, and I want to contact him. All right. Through one of my contacts. So if I just send out an email, said, hey, I could do video marketing, blah, blah, blah. They're probably not going to look at it. But if I actually do a video about this guy, I do a video, say I take all his reviews. Say I come down here and I see all his wonderful reviews here. And I make a video of really pumping him up and showing how great he is. Look at all the great reviews. I put it up on YouTube and I make it unlisted. All right, so that only the people that I send to it, I send the video link, will see it. And I send this to Anderson, and I say, Attorney Anderson, I say, Mr. Anderson, I address them by name, and I say, listen, we did a great video about your law. We did a video about your law firm. He doesn't know if it's either positive or negative. We did a video about your law firm. Here it is. Let us know what you think about it. If you need more of these done, we can do them on autopilot every month or whatever. Hey, we did a video about your law firm here. Check it out. If you like it, we can, it's not public now. We can make it public and we can do more. Let us know if this just interests you or if there's something you want to change. We can take it down if you don't like it. Something like that. We did a video about you already. I put the work in already. Now, how personal is that? If someone sends you a video and says, we just did a video about you, are you going to look? Isn't that going to distinguish yourself on a cold call better than anybody else? Oh, I've got these services and we can do services and we work for a lot of people like you. Okay, it's already good this targeted to personal injury attorneys. They might look at, but if we do a video about them, they're going to look. All right. Maybe they like it. Maybe they don't. In any case, they're going to get the eyeballs on it. And hey, that's a lot of work. Well, I'm going to do this video. Well, that's my business. I should be able to do that. And what am I looking at? I'm looking at maybe getting $1,000 a month client or more. Okay. So I'm investing in it. What if he doesn't want to do it? Guess what? That's part of my portfolio. And I can use it as an example to other personal injury attorneys. I could say, hey, I've done a video like this. Check this out about your competition in Dallas. Do you want me to do a video like you, like this about you? I just did a video about your competition, showing them all the reviews in Dallas, Texas. And he's probably going to know this guy. All right. And now that is what you call a sexy opening line. Rather than just sending out some blanket email, which I get all the time from people offering SEO services. Hey, I can do SEO services, blah, blah, blah. Your website is lousy. I can make it better. All right. So that is an idea how you approach it. I don't have to have a bulk email program to send out to 1 million people. That you need a bulk email program if you have a lousy offer. I could probably send out 10 emails like that. And I'm probably going to get a response one way or the other. Okay, so that's the idea, the type of offer you have to send out using this type of thing. And you could just send the email out manually or DM them or something. Okay, so let's talk about the ever so popular Make Money Online program. How could you work with that? Actually, I think it's harder in that niche, but you could still do it. You could scrape Instagram leads of people talking about make money online and see if you could get some joint ventures going with them. I still think just pitching your business opportunity as the latest, greatest thing is probably not going to be the best approach. If you could offer them a free ebook, a free guide, a free how they can ideas on how they can get more traffic for their business opportunity, how they get more people, something that helps them, that is a better approach. Okay. Or the next thing is if you're really a biz op marketer, okay, you offer personal service. That's what nobody wants to offer. You say, hey, you can call me directly. I will personally help you. I know what I'm doing with this business and I will help you. That does work. I've got a guy, I have a video here. Here I did a video about a guy I talked to personally on the phone who doesn't use any fancy email marketing software at all. All he does is talk to people on the phone and uses his AOL internet service, and he offers a personal service. He knows his program backwards and forwards. He helps people. He has tools, and he takes the personal approach. That's actually how this business opportunity thing was done to begin with, and it works for him, and he makes money. So that is a way you can distinguish yourself, a way you can make your offer sexier by offering personal service. Again, you can't send out thousands and thousands of emails from one email address. And I guess you could have hundreds of email addresses. That gets complicated. This is a cold approach. So the offer has to be personal. It has to be targeted. It has to be sexy as hell, right? And personal service is sexy as hell because nobody wants to give it. You have to be willing to do things that other people aren't willing to do. You have to distinguish yourself from all the other people just sending them garbage. So those are 2 ideas on how to do it. I actually think the business opportunity market is harder than a lot of other markets, dealing with real businesses that are really making money. Because, if you're selling to people who are not making money, it's harder than selling to people who are making money already. So something to think about there. But I know that's a popular niche because a lot of people get into that as they get into making money online. But keep their mind open for other niches that might be more profitable for you than to make money online niche. I'm not saying you can't make money with that. You can. I have, and I am. But keep your mind open to other niches. Anyways, this is an incredible tool. And I'm kind of amazed that it's even available. And for someone who's creative and has a great offer, it really can open the door to lots of sales and success. Now, I have put the link below. Of course, there's an affiliate link. I appreciate if you support my channel, go click it below. And I'd like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be doing a lot more videos on this subject. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, join our newsletter below, and make sure you listen to the next video that's going to be in the lower left of your screen. Thank you so much. This is Matthew May with Quick Register SEO.